Here we got a purple grape 1931 Ford Model A, and it's got a Chevy motor in it. The heartbeat of Ford is Chevy. Is that how that works? Heartbeat of Ford is Chevy. What the heck is that? It's a horn. Maybe that's a horn or something. It's probably a hookah horn or something. It's probably a smart way to do things, because anytime Chevys are a lot cheaper. It's got your aftermarket comfy seats in there. Yeah, you can sit down in this thing, no problem. It's probably got air conditioning in it too. Maybe not, maybe not. But it's got purple paint, that's for sure. That's what you need. Purple paint makes you go faster for sure. Actually, this car, I like this thing. You know what? The one thing I would do with this thing though, I'd probably put some like you know, flames, but not too much, with you know, just outline them, you know what I mean? Just outline them a little bit. Here's the trunk, and you have an actual trunk. It's a nice car, man. Nice car. But you know, a lot of people do put Chevy motors in the full Fords. It's a lot more economical to go that way. True wire wheels, that's a really nice feature too, man, big time. You got the trunk with the, you can take out your luggage, we got your straps there, you can lift it up, hey, no problem, right? And you got your full gauge instrument panel, look at that. Looks like it's got newer gauges in it. Those are probably electronic gauges that really tell you what's going on for real. So I got a gauge I got to be putting in my little motorcycle, my little Sportster, little 1200 Sportster. The oil pressure gauge, you got to replace them. You just got to screw it in. I got one that's got a white face, black letters, and a white red oil pressure needle, so I can read the damn thing better. Bike only runs like 10-20 pounds of pressure anyway. I mean, but at least you know you got it better than an idiot light. Freaking idiot light means you got zero and then you're already freaking toast. So nice car, man. Nice. Yeah, I'd probably pinstripe some flames in there, but very subdued. Not like where you notice them too much. Maybe like I don't know, a goldish purple. You know. And, you know, that's what I would do, because that wouldn't cost much money to add on to this. So the other thing, right? Just pinstripe them in there.